On this video today, I'm going to show you the easiest way that you can use to make money on Digistore24 as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. The best part is that this method is free and you can use it wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to create an account on Digistore24. Once you create your account and login, you have to click right here, Marketplace. Once you click on Marketplace, you can see right here, these are digital products that you can promote to earn money from home. As I scroll, you can see a lot of different categories of products that you can promote on this platform to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. So any of the categories that you want, you can click on it and then find a product to promote. If you want to promote physical products, you can click right here and you are going to get products to promote. If you want services, you can click right here and you are going to get some services that you can promote to earn money. You can also promote events and seminars, so it depends on what kind of products that you want to promote. In this case, we are going to be promoting a digital product under the health and fitness. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll upwards. Once you scroll upwards, you can see fitness and health. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Just scroll down to the bottom of the page. Once you scroll down to the bottom, you are going to click on page 2. Once you click on page 2, you are going to see a page like this. Just scroll down and then select any product that you want to promote. In this case, we are going to be promoting this product right here, Custom Keto Diet. This product is a weight loss product, and the best part is that they have a lot of different resources that you can use to promote the product without investing any money. You can see the commission rate is $25.98 per every sale that you get. So now what you have to do is that you have to begin promoting this product. To promote the product, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see right here, affiliate support page. You are going to click on it so that you can find resources to promote the product. So click on it, affiliate support page. Once you click on it, you can see this is the affiliate support page. If you don't understand English, you can click on French or Spanish. Any of the languages that you understand, you can click on it and the page is going to be translated to the language that you understand. In this case, we are going to be using the English version. So just scroll down to the button so that you can select any of the resources that you want to use to promote the product. Once you scroll down, you can see these are promotional guidelines. These are the things that you don't have to do as an affiliate. You can see affiliates cannot directly link to our checkout. So what you have to do is that you have to obey all these guidelines. If you abuse them, you are not going to be paid. So make sure you read through all of them. Once you get to know the guidelines, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see right here, they are giving you customer demographics. They are giving us more information about the product. You can see most of the people who buy the product are women, and you can see 20% of those who buy the product are men. So if you are targeting, you have to target women. You can see the ages 35 and 65. So ages ranging from 35 to 65. You can target those people if you are running ads. You can see the countries: Canada, United States, United Kingdom, South Africa, Australia, New Zealand. These are the countries where they are getting a lot of traffic. You can see landing pages. If you want to use any of the landing pages, you can just click on it and then download it. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see they have lead magnets, you can see banners. Any of these resources that you want, you can click on it, download it, and then use it to promote the product. They have keywords, email swipes. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see right here they have videos. These are what we are interested in. So we are going to download the videos. You can see they have videos, how to start a keto diet. You can see they have a lot of them. You can see a lot of different videos. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to download all these videos. We are going to download them so that we can use them to promote the product. So just click right here, download, so that you can download the video. Once you click on it, you can see the video is downloading right here. As you can see, the video has been downloaded. The next step is that you have to extract it from the zip file so that you can use the video to promote the product. As you can see, this is the video in a zip file. So you're going to click on it so that you can extract it from the zip file. So just click on it. Once you click on it, it is going to open like this. You can see this is the video. Right click on it. Once you right click on it, you are going to click right here, cut. Once you cut it, you are going to paste it in any folder that you want. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, I'm going to paste it in download. So just paste it at anywhere that you want. Once you save the video, the next step is that you are going to come on this website, Odysee.com. This website is a video sharing website that you can share the videos and then drive traffic to your affiliate link. They have a lot of different categories that you can publish your videos. You can see a lot of different categories. You can see right here: pop culture, artists, education, lifestyle, spunky, gaming, tech, and the rest. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to upload the video onto this platform so that we can get people to view it and then click on our affiliate link. The best part is that Odysee gets up to 19.1 million visits every month. You can see it right here. All this traffic are coming from tier 1 countries. When you scroll down, you can see right here the top countries are United States, France, Germany, Canada, United Kingdom. These are the countries where the offer is getting a lot of sales. So this is a targeted traffic source that we can use to get the right people to buy the product for us to earn a commission on Digistore24. So now what we are going to be doing is that we have to create an account so that we can upload our video. To create an account, you are going to click right here, sign up. Once you click on sign up, you are going to follow the prompt so that you can sign up for a free account. Once you create your account and log in, the next step is that you have to upload the video. If you want, you can also publish articles onto this website. You can see it right here. But in this case, we are going to be publishing a video. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, upload, so that you can upload your video. Once you click on upload, what you have to do is that you have to upload the video. To upload the video, you are going to click right here, browse. Once you click on browse, you are going to select your video, click on open. Once you click on open, your video has been uploaded. The next step is that you are going to enter the details of your video. You can see this is the title. If you want to change it, you can change it. But in this case, I'm not going to change it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see description. What you have to do is that you have to type a call to action in this box so that you can get people to click on your link and then purchase the product. So you are going to type something like, click here to get access to a custom keto diet, something like this. Once you type your call to action like this, the next step is that you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. So you are going to come back on Digistore24 and then click right here so that you can copy your affiliate link. As you can see, it has been copied. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to search for tinyurl.com. Once you search for it, you are going to see a page like this. Paste your link right here so that you can shorten it. Once you paste your affiliate link right here, you are going to click on shorten URL. Once you click on shorten URL, you can see it has been shortened. So now what you have to do is that you have to copy it. Click right here, copy. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to upload the thumbnail of your video. So you are going to come on Google and then search for custom keto diet. Once you search for it, you can see a lot of different images that you can download and use them as your thumbnail. If you want to download an image, what you have to do is that you have to put your pointer on the video, right click. Once you right click, you are going to select save image as so that you can save the image onto your PC. Once you save the image, the next step is that you are going to click right here, browse. Once you click on browse, select your image, click on open so that it can be uploaded. You can see this is the image. Click on upload. Once you click on upload, you can see this is the thumbnail of the video. You can see it right here. The next step is that you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see visibility. You are going to select public. You want everyone to see it, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see price, free. We are going to select free because we don't want people to pay before they get access to the video. We want people to watch it for free and then click on our affiliate link so that they can buy the product for us to earn a commission on Digistore24. So just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see tags. So you are going to enter some keywords here that are related to the video that you are promoting. In this case, we can type keto diet. Once you type it, you can see it right there. Click on the plus sign and you can see it has appeared right here. Once that is done, you are going to type weight loss. Once you type weight loss, you are going to click on the plus sign. You can see it has been added right here. Once that is done, you are going to type something like lose weight fast, something like this. Click on it. You can add up to 5 tags. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see these are popular tags that you can select. If you want any of them, you can click on it and then select it. In this case, we are not going to select any of them. Once that is done, if you want additional options, you can click on it and then customize your video. But in this case, we are not going to do that. So click right here, upload, so that you can upload the video. Once you click on upload, you can see these are the metadata of your video. You can see your link is clickable. This is your affiliate link. And you can see the rest of the details. If you want to change anything, you can click on cancel and then change it before you publish it. But in this case, everything is okay. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, confirm. Once you click on confirm, you can see your video is uploading. So you are going to wait for it to upload. You can see it is uploading. It's now 46%, so you have to wait for it to upload fully. As you can see, your video has been uploaded. You can see success. Your content will be live shortly. It means your content has been uploaded. If you want to view your content, you can click right here, view my uploads, so that you can see the video. So now what you have to do is that you have to keep on uploading all the videos onto this platform. Apart from Odyssey.com, you can also create a YouTube account and then upload the video so that you can drive traffic to your affiliate links for the people to buy them for you to earn money on Digistore24. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.